Welcome. If you want to set password on your applications in Realme 6, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now scroll down and enter fingerprint, face and the password. Tap on the set privacy password. Right now we have to input the password. Tap on the use and confirm with the same. And there's the question about our name of the teachers. We can change it. We can also add the custom questions. If you answer, tap on it done, click on the app lock, and right now you can choose the application that you want to lock. I will stay with this, click on the lock, and right now if you want to enter the application, you have to input the privacy password. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.